Hello students. So I hope you all are fine. So students, as you know, we are doing simple equations. So today our topic is solving an equation. So you all know what is equation, where the expression where equality sign is there. Okay. So for understanding solving an equation, I'm taking here example. Here are two expressions, 4 plus 6, and on other side, on right hand side is 17 minus 7. Now if you see, 4 plus 6 is 10, 17 minus 7 is also 10. It means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, so if I add 5 on both sides, then what will happen? Let's see. 4 plus 6 plus 5, and here 17 minus 7 plus 5. So I have added 5 on both the sides. So result is 15, and here 17 minus 7 10, 10 plus 5 15. Okay, next, if I subtract 3 from both the sides from this relation, so 4 plus 6 minus 3 is equal to 17 minus 7 minus 3. So I have subtracted 3 from both the sides. Now what we are getting? 4 plus 6 10 minus 3 7. 10 minus 3 7. So students, what you have observed in these two cases, we have observed that if we do any operation like addition or subtraction with the same number on both the sides, there is no difference in the result. Okay, if we are adding any number both the sides, result will be same. If we are subtracting any number from both the sides, result is same. So similarly, in case of multiplication and division also it is true. So if we multiply any number on both the sides, result will be same. Or if we divide any number both the sides, then result will be same. It means equation is just like a physical balance. Okay, you have seen this balance. So when does I use this balance? So means if here 5 kg weight is there and here 5 kg onions are there. So if you put more onions in this side, then you have to increase the weight to make them balanced. Okay, so similarly both these sides are like two sides of balance. Okay, so if we add 5 to this side, we have to add 5 to this side also. If we are subtracting something from this side, same amount we are supposed to subtract from this side to make them balance. Okay, now we will start our sum. I am taking here one equation, x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now what is the purpose here? To find out the value of variable. This is called the solving an equation. How to solve the equation? By finding the value of variable. Okay, now I want to find the value of variable. So it means I have to remove this. This is extra part. Now 1 is subtracted from here. So to find the value of x, we will operate here opposite sign. Okay, if here is subtraction, we will add. If here is addition, we will subtract. If here is multiplication, we will divide. If here is division, we will multiply. Okay, so I want to remove 1 and 1 is of minus, so I will add 1 on both the sides. Now we have seen from here that if we add, subtract, multiply or divide any number on both the sides, there will be no difference, there will be no change in equation. Okay, so add 1 on both the sides. So I'm adding x minus 1 plus 1, and on right hand side 0 plus 1. So now minus 1 plus 1, both will be cancelled. So x is equal to 0 plus 1 is 1. So in this way we have found the value of x. It means we have solved the equation. Okay, next example, p over 7 is equal to 4. Now we want to find value of p to solve this equation. Okay, now 7 is divided with p. First of all, we have to recognize the operation of variable with the number. So here 7 is divided with the p. So what we will do to remove this 7? We will multiply both the sides with 7. Okay, so our main focus should be on this part, what is written with the variable. Okay, so multiply both sides with 7. So p over 7 multiplied with 7, and similarly on right hand side 4 into 7. So what we are getting after solving, this 7 will be cancelled with 7. Okay, then 4 sevens are 28. So p is equal to 28. So in this way we have found the value of p. I hope everything is clear to you. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.